What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about my sixth dividend payment with Exxon Mobil, ticker symbol XOM. Now, I'm very excited about this dividend payment because, of course, this payment is a little bit more than the last payment. That's kind of the purpose of dividend payments, but I also want to share with you guys kind of my overall return in regards to Exxon Mobil. I'm very happy with this. This is one of the stocks that I'm super happy that I invested in. Wish I would have invested a little bit more. And of course, you're going to see why later when I decide to show you my total return, which is really, really high in regards to Exxon Mobil. So once again, we're talking about my sixth dividend payment in regards to Exxon Mobil. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys my portfolio right now just to kind of give you guys an update of where I am. So on the screen, you will see my portfolio with Robinhood, which right now is valued at $196,000. My return for today is I'm down $10,000. Okay, so this is live right now. The market's still open currently, so you guys can see here it's 6:13 p.m. right here at the very end of the little graph on the screen, and the market's currently open. Just to give you a bigger snapshot of my overall portfolio, if you're brand new to the channel, I have invested in the stock market since May of 2020. I have invested $254,000. Today, my portfolio is valued at $196,000. So just to give you a bird's eye view as to exactly where I am in regards to my portfolio. Once again, today I'm down $10,000. Okay, so that's what's going on in my portfolio. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys Exxon Mobil. Right here, you can see that Exxon Mobil is currently trading for $91.66. I can't read. My average cost per share is $45.47. My total return, which I'm super duper nuts about, this is so cool. My total return in regards to my investment with Exxon Mobil is I'm up 101.60%. So my total return is $5,141.55. That's really, really cool. I once again, every single time that I'm up with a particular stock, I'm always like, man, I wish I would have invested more. And this is no different regarding Exxon Mobil. Obviously, a lot of you guys should know Exxon Mobil. It's a big company. Obviously, Exxon's been around for a million years. And of course, they merged with Exxon Mobil, or they merged with Mobil back in the day. So it's Exxon Mobil right now. So of course, gas prices are ridiculously high. I'm not sure if that's exactly why the stock is up, but I'm glad that it's up. Okay, so Exxon Mobil pays dividends every 3 months. So this is actually my sixth dividend payment with Exxon Mobil, and I will show you guys that. It's quarterly, like I said. I'm going to scroll down here and go to show more information, and then I will click on dividends here on the right just to kind of clean this up and make it easy. So as you guys can see, this is going to be the dividend payments that I've gotten with Exxon Mobil. The very first one was March 10th for $89.64. I have not grabbed any more shares. So all of these dividend payments that you see is from the initial amount of shares that I had. So back on March 10th, you can see that I had at the time 103 shares, and Exxon was paying 87 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $89.64. Okay, so once again, I didn't grab any more shares at all. So the most recent dividend payment was on June 10th, and that was for $97.07. So that's pretty cool because on March 10th of 2021, the dividend payment was $89. And then March 10th, not March 10th, but June 10th, a year and a month later, the dividend payment is $97.07. And if I click on that, at that time, I owned 110 shares, and Exxon raised their dividend, the payment from 87 cents to 88 cents. So I have my most recent dividend payment with Exxon Mobil is $97.07. Now, if I go back to kind of see the last time that I got an 87 cent payment, let me go back here. So not in December. Okay, September was the last time I got a dividend. The amount was 87 cents. So starting in December of 2021, they raised the dividend payment to 88 cents right here, as you guys can see, which is obviously responsible for my dividend payment being a little bit more. So once again, my last dividend payment with Exxon Mobil was for $97.07. And then in addition to that, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some more shares because I have dividend reinvestment turned on. So as you can see, I got the dividend payment right here on the 10th of June. And then on the 10th of June, also, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some shares. Was not really one share, but it's 0.996612. So it's almost one full share. And at the time, it was for $97 and I'm sorry, it was for $97.40. So my dividend payment was $97.07. And at the time when they grabbed almost one full share, it was trading for $97.40. That was on June 13th. As you can see here at 8:32 is when they went ahead and grabbed almost one share, because the dividend reinvestment is automatically set up on Robinhood. I just have it turned on, right? So that I don't have to worry about grabbing the shares myself. Like I said, right now, Exxon is trading for $91.62. Remember, Robinhood went ahead and automatically reinvested the dividend payment. And at the time, the dividend payment was $97.07. And right now, Exxon is trading for $91.62, right? So obviously, it's less than it was trading on June 13th, I'm sorry. Today, the making of this video, it's actually June 28th right now. So of course, sometimes it's a hit or miss in regards to the dividend reinvesting automatically grabbing the shares for you, because of course, in a perfect world, I would have just had the $97.07 sitting in my brokerage account on Robinhood. And then of course, on a day like today or yesterday, you know, like today, it was down. It was at $90 and change, right? In a perfect world, you can see here, it was trading for $87 on June 24th. In a perfect world, I would have been able to time the stock market and grab a share for less than $97. But because I don't want to have to worry about dealing with that myself, I just have dividend reinvestment turned on, which is DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan, turned on Robinhood. So automatically, they grab the shares for you. So once again, I'm super excited because my overall return with Exxon Mobil overall right now is I'm up 101%. And that's very, very exciting. Of course, there are other companies in which I'm invested that I'm not up. You know what I mean? I'm down like 40%, 30%. And of course, it sucks. But most of my investments are going to be for the long haul, and that's what I'm trying to remind myself and tell myself and tell you guys and show you guys. All right. So once again, right now my portfolio is valued at $196,000 at the making of this video, and I am down $10,000 in this video. But that's not the purpose of investing in the stock market per se. The stock market's always up and down. As long as the overall trajectory is up, and that means, you know, I'm getting a decent return every year, I will be okay. This is going to be exciting to kind of share my journey with you guys as I continue to make these videos and document my journey, and we'll see what happens to my portfolio in the years to come. All right. If you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Smash the thumbs up in this video. It helps this particular video. And that's going to be it. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.